center?
No, I don't like to dine at fast food center.
Why? What's the reason, dear?
Junk food is not good for health. Wait for 10 minutes. I shall prepare a fluffy omelette. After eating this snack, you will become a fan of homemade food.
Wow, what an enticing aroma.
Have this mouth-watering omelette.
Wow, finger-licking taste. Could you please tell me how to prepare your omelette?
I shall tell you the recipe with pleasure. Himasa, these ingredients are necessary to prepare an omelette. They are onions, green chilies, oil, salt, turmeric, eggs. Take finely chopped onions and green chilies in a bowl. Add a pinch of turmeric and red chili powder and also adequate salt. Crack 2 eggs in that mixture. Stir the substance constantly. Place a pan on the stove like this stove. Let the pan get heated. Add a teaspoon of oil on the pan. Now pour the substance on the pan. Cover the pan with a lid. Roll over the omelette. Let the both sides of the omelette get roasted. Now fluffy omelette is ready.
Thank you, Zansi.
Thank you one and all for giving us this opportunity.